Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to use Bluesky. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open App Store and click on search and write Bluesky. And click on this and press get. Alright, and click on open. Alright, create account or singing and select your language. Alright, click on done and press create account. Hosting provider, write your email and write your password and your breed that. Click on done. Alright, and click on next. Write your username and click on next. Alright, and click on allow, continue, and select your interests. And that's all. Alright, and that's all.